Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The St. Anne Municipal Corporation says it's exploring new burial methods and identifying lands for a major parish cemetery. However, the move has been met with some resistance from residents. Sandy Williams has the details.
A burial crisis is quietly unfolding in St. Anne as the majority of the parish's 17 cemeteries are now closed. At a recent municipal corporation meeting, councillors painted a troubling picture: limited space, aging burial grounds, and a system under pressure. Councillor for the Exchange Division Ian Isaac says the parish must urgently rethink how it buries its dead.
We in the St. Anne municipality start to champion the cause for tear burials and columbarium. This is a result of how our cemeteries were managed previously and the proper utilization of space in our cemeteries.
Mr. Isaacs argues that new approaches like tiered burials, placing one body below and reserving space above, and columbaria for cremated remains could dramatically extend the life of existing cemeteries.
When you build a columbarium, you can build a structure which can hold up to 60 urns. And that space is maybe, 12 foot by maybe 3 to 4 feet, which would be required in a public cemetery.
But even as solutions are being explored, the reality on the ground is stark. Chairman of the Municipal Corporation, Michael Belnavis, says while there is no immediate crisis, the warning signs are clear.
It's a major issue within the parish with the closing of cemeteries. Most of the cemeteries have been around forever.
He notes that only a handful remain active and they are already under strain.
The ones that are open are operational and very busy. The ones that are really functioning are the ones like this, the Beechertown Cemetery and the one up by Monique. Those are the major ones currently. The other ones are pretty much Ocherous, St. Anne's Bay, and most of the others are pretty much closed. There's not a crisis at this time, but there could potentially be a crisis.
In response, the corporation is now looking beyond traditional burial practices, eyeing reclaimed bauxite lands to develop a large centralized parish cemetery. So
we're looking to get some lands from bauxite mining, reclaim bauxite lands to have a parish type cemetery system going where we'll have close to 75 acres just to deal with cemeteries.
But even with new land, officials admit a cultural shift may be necessary. Alternatives like cremation remain unpopular among residents despite its efficiency.
The people in St. Anne seem not to like that option, but it's still an option.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.